For the first time here in Singapore, buses fitted with solar panels are hitting the road with the aim of making your ride greener. 2 buses are trialling the technology for 6 months. Diesel savings of at least 3% are forecast. Melissa Go with more.
This bus is flying the flag for cleaner fleets. It's one of just 2 public buses in Singapore that are partly powered by the sun. Solar panels on top can generate up to 1,000 watts of energy. This is used to charge the bus's battery, which is typically used to start the engine and also to power the bus when the engine is turned off. Standing beside the bus, you can't really see the solar panels fitted on top, and that's because they're less than 2 millimeters thick. They're also flexible and weigh less than 10 kilograms each.
But typically for solar panels, they are thick and very heavy. So if you install them on top of the bus, you'll be concerned on how are you going to rigidly install it safely. But the ones that we use are ultra thin and very lightweight. So we have not much issues in this aspect.
Go Ahead says each bus can achieve diesel savings of over 1,400 litres per year, which translates to a reduction of 3.7 tonnes in carbon emissions. That's based on data from a similar trial it's conducting in the UK. It says the panels could do even better in Singapore where there's more sunlight.
Trying these panels out, if we see the sort of savings and benefits that we expect, then we would certainly be looking to fit them to more buses. A lot of the diesel buses in Singapore have still got many years' life left in them, so the solar panels are a way of making the buses even more efficient.
The buses will be on trial until end September. Go Ahead says the initial investment will likely pay off in 4 years. The operator runs a fleet of over 450 mostly diesel buses in Singapore.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys leave you topless. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need to top, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh. I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got two of everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn to a giant. This is fact, ain't no fictional writing. If I want to, I go right into hiding. Me and my lady somewhere on the island. I came up in a war zone where it's violent. Either end up a victim or a tyrant. Nobody did it like this, nobody ever. Told myself it would get better. Wrote it and meant every letter. Now we flood the city, it's never been wetter. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me.
Yeah, when you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find her, when you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I remember when we were still in college and your girl's boyfriend friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Chain sin stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top four ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you. Don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no pollute. We didn't came too far, this no fluke. When you on my arm, you look great. Let them hate, cause they on mute. And girl, I brought you around my mom and them. Now I can't come around without you. I got money and respect, but you know that pussy's power. Type to make any man feel rejection. I was no coward. Got your heart in my possession. Guess you can say it's ours. You fine like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase it. You so exquisite. I'd be dumb if I didn't turn you into my missus. Been through your ups and downs, but with me you only get lifted. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Look, man, it was like fall of 09 when we ate at any restaurant off campus we can find. Double dating, and my homies brought different brats every time. You sat across from uncertainty, but you knew you were mine. All these girls wanted nook because I had a little buzz. You care more about how it looked, I care more about what it was. You said I was flirting too much, I cut them all off if I must. This whole relationship thing is pointless if there is no trust. But you know that you are my queen. How you do, your majesty? I'll acquire you desire. Pockets on capacity, it's only right that I laid the pipe, cause you had a massive leak. I'm not one to hype, but you the best, and that's to say the least. They say love is blind, all I saw was that ass. All you needed was attention you didn't receive from dad. Campus full of bitches, you the only one with some class. When they see you, they know that's me, you don't even have to ask. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Yeah, when you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah.